and welcome back to TMC Lifestyle. Today we have a double unboxing for Dooney and Bourke. Now you guys saw me unbox my Florentine, and since you've seen the Florentine, my daughter has bedazzled it so much. She has added so much onto this bag. So that's my Florentine satchel in chestnut, and I like the hobo chic look for this bag because it's just so bulky and cute and leathery and squishy and tassely. And I'm gonna go over the charms really quickly here. So we got some tassels that I got from, I think, TikTok. We also have a leaf charm here. We have a pear, I believe I may have gotten from Amazon. This pretzel, I think I got this one from TikTok. The little claw clip here, I think my daughter got this from Amazon. And when we flip it over, I have a twilly that I got from Amazon. So I am loving it. Super cute. So we're just gonna put her right there. And you know, when you see, anytime I see you guys videos and I see this address, I know it's coming from Dooney and Bourke. So I'm excited. All right, so I did not have, if you can believe it or not, I did not have a red purse in my arsenal. So I said I need a red purse, but I am very spoiled on that Florentine leather, that smooth leather from Dooney and Bourke. So I wanted another one. They did not have that particular satchel in red, but they had this one in red. So let's pull this one out. Now with this satchel, I think they just call it Florentine satchel. I don't really think it has a name or anything like that. I'll put it here on the screen if it does, but look at that. I've already opened it, so I went through the oohs and the ahs. I've smelled it and I felt the leather. And it, oh my gosh. Oh, that leather smell. It smells like you just walked into like a cowboy boot store with all the leather goods there, and it smells so good. It's unbelievable. Like they need to package that scent and have it in a candle or something. That's how I feel about it. But guys, look at that red. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I wasn't too much of a fan of these like curled up edges here or corners, but it's growing on me because I kind of like the way this is puckered, you know, on the sides. I kind of like that better, but it's growing on me, and you can see the size difference between the two. Okay, I'm also gonna have on I guess in my description box how much I paid for it. I know it was on sale. They had a huge 65% off sale, and I got it. So, and they were all, what I bought was bought at different times. I just didn't have a chance to bring it to YouTube. So we're gonna go away for just a split second. I'm gonna come back, take all this plastic off to show you the inside. All right, guys, so I took off all of the bandages, and on the inside, you guys know the drill. They have it red on the inside with this suede material right here. And I do see what people are saying about the Dooney satchel, how the mouth is a little closed and you can't really get, it's lots of space in there once you get past the mouth. So I could work with it though. Love it. I love it. Just for the smell. I just love it. I told y'all I want to bottle up this smell. But anyway, so we have a pocket in there, a zipper pocket. And of course they have your paperwork and everything inside. And put that back in there. Not ready to wear her yet. On the other side, we have two slip pockets. I hope you guys can see. You can see in there?
Yeah.
Two slip pockets. And then your key hook here. So I am liking that. And you know, over time she's gonna get a little bit more slouchy and soft and everything. So for right now, there she is. She's cute. So my first red purse. Feels so soft. It feels so soft. And of course she has her strap, but you guys know how I feel about straps, so I like to carry everything like right there. So that's how I'll be carrying her. And she is so cute. But this is a double unboxing. Oh, also she has on her stilettos. We're going to have one more purse to show you guys. So friends, this is the last unboxing. Look at that luscious. Look at it. My favorite color is green. So when I saw they had the ivy color in the Florentine leather, in the satchel that I like, I had to get it. So there she is. She is huge. That is the large. So let me show you. I thought I had a large with the chestnut, but look at the difference.
Right.
Unbelievable. Because on the video, things just look, you know, almost like average size. You can hold it up and you're like, okay, that's a big bag. But when you actually have it and put it next to the other bags, you're just like, whoa. So that is your Ivy Dooney. Beautiful. Now she has a dent right there, whatever, but she's been in the box since I bought her. So when they delivered everything, I just put it in boxes and I was just like, I'm going to get to it. I'm going to get to it. And I never did. So today is that day. And then we can put her up on the wall to display. And she can sit next to her sisters, you know. So can't wait to bedazzle her and put all the charms on. I have charms specifically set aside for this particular bag. That's how deep it got. Like, I've been waiting on a green bag for a long time. How can your favorite color be green? My phone that she's holding right now, the whole case is green.
Yeah.
I love green, but I did not have a green bag. So now I do. And I'm just so happy. So I'm going to take all of her bandages off and then show her to you. All right, so friends, there she is. You guys know how I'll be rocking her. Beautiful. Beautiful. I asked my daughter, is it just too much? She was just like, no, never enough. Never enough. Never enough. Look at the tassel. Just look. The smell. The leather. If I could carry both at the same time.
You can.
See? She's an enabler. Just crazy. Like I should make this a charm for this one. That's how crazy it is right now in the purse community. It's just like, it's some people taking like the regular purse and putting it on this purse as a charm. It's like, stop it. But that is too funny. So some of these same charms I can use over here. Cute.
Right.
Super cute. All right, guys. So if you watch the review of the Florentine satchel and chestnut, which I will be leaving below, and hoping to see some comments from you guys. If you saw that one, then you know what the inside of this one looks like. It's the same story. We have you know, the red. This time they put the green at the top. Did they put the green? Yeah, I think it was green here. Oh, it's green on all of them. She got tired of what I had to say. My dog just left the room. I guess she said, I'm tired of purses today. But yes. Super cute. Very dainty. Very demure. Very mindful. Are we still doing that?
Not really. Everyone's classy base now.
Okay. All right. And she has her feet. And that's it. So I thank you guys for joining me today for the unboxing of these beautiful purses. And they will be added to my collection. And you guys will see them out and about. And they will wave at you, you know. And that's it.
Wow. Looks so nice. It's Christmas together.
So I thank you guys so much for tuning in. All of my enablers out there, shout out to you. And, you know, leave some comments down below. What's the next color I should get? after summer, because I'm not buying any more purses until after summer sometime, because this is kind of crazy. It's getting a little crazy in here. So that's it. Make sure you watch a video on which purse I picked up from the Coach Outlet Powder Pink Drop. So be sure to tune in for that. I do have one more unboxing. It's a Kate Spade. So stay tuned for that one. It should be coming up maybe next week sometime. Also, I have some makeup tutorials coming. So you guys just stay locked to the channel. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you. Please give this video a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know you like what you're seeing. Cyber kisses. Bye.